If you're experiencing discomfort along the inner elbow during movements such as throwing or contact, the ulnar collateral ligament is often involved. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step taping technique designed to reduce valgus stress at the elbow and provide support during activity. Welcome to Sport Rehab Playbook. You'll need adhesive spray for anchor zones, 2 to 3 inch elastic adhesive tape such as Surelite, and 1.5 inch rigid tape such as zinc oxide. Begin by positioning the athlete with the elbow slightly bent and the arm contracted as shown. Apply elastic anchors circumferentially around the upper arm and mid-forearm with minimal stretch. Apply a strip of rigid tape from the proximal anchor to the distal anchor, crossing over the inner elbow where the ulnar collateral ligament lies. This begins the valgus limiting fan. Apply a second strip at a diagonal angle as shown. Finally, apply a third strip in the opposite diagonal direction. Additional strips tracking over the ulnar collateral ligament can be added based on athlete size and the level of support required. Apply a gentle valgus force to the elbow as shown to assess restriction. The athlete should feel increased support with reduced discomfort. Once satisfied, secure both ends with elastic tape. Next, apply a figure 8 pattern over the fan using elastic tape as shown. This helps reduce the risk of the tape catching during activity. Finally, cover any loose ends with rigid tape. This technique is used to support the elbow against valgus forces that stress the ulnar collateral ligament. It may be applied in cases such as ulnar collateral ligament sprains in contact sports or to provide support during repetitive throwing activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.